we have officially made it in the Amazon, the Peruvian Amazon.
The adventure begins.
The adventure begins.
So the story begins a few months ago when I found myself high up in the Peruvian Andes. I was doing an incredible hiking expedition with some friends I met in Colombia. We spent 3 days camping at nearly 5,000 meters. The blisters on my feet were so bad that I had to take my shoes off and walk barefoot. Prior to this hike, I had spent weeks trying to find a way into Brazil to document the ongoing forest fires. I wanted to go capture what was happening in real time and try and show a different perspective from what people were seeing in the media. I finally managed to finalize a contract with an NGO to go make a film about an indigenous group living in a remote part of the Brazilian Amazon. My flights were booked and it seemed like my persistence was finally paying off. However, when we came back down from the hike, I found out that the NGO decided to terminate our contract last minute due to the escalating security risks in the region. They didn't want to be responsible in case anything happened. I was torn apart by these news. My friends that I had done the hike with let me know that they were still planning on heading into the Amazon. At the spur of the moment, I decided to join them. I had to adapt to the changing circumstances and make the most out of nothing. An opportunity still existed to showcase the beauty and vulnerability of the world's largest rainforest.
So it took us like 2 days to get here, but we finally made it to the Amazon, and we're gonna be on this pirogue, or this canoe, for the next 4 days, exploring a part of northern Peru. And I've got my travel companions here, Xander the South African, Shana the Tasmanian Devil, and our two guides. Can you introduce yourself? ¿Cómo te llamo?
Ribeto, amigo.
Mucho gusto. And up front we have Senor Flover. So yes, they're gonna be taking us along here as we traverse a remote part of the Amazon. And yeah, it's gonna be quite the journey. Here we go.
On assignment for National
Wow.
Geographic. Whoa.
He just flew out of the nest.
David Clancy on the Sony A7 III. Wow. Bang. Shauna, the tour critic on Pink River Dolphins, not impressed.
Okay, taking me out of context here.
Yeah, that dolphin's gonna pop up soon.
About to go through some trees. Here we go.
Get up, get up.
Most capable people.
We just built a structure in less than 15
Out of
minutes.
nothing. They made rope from bark.
¿Cuántos años tú trabajas en
Ya.
esta selva y por qué te gusta tu trabajo?
Ya. Yo ahorita estoy trabajando 17 años. Estoy trabajando aquí en la reserva. Y me gusta este trabajo del guiado. Es el mejor trabajo del mundo que puede haber en la vida. Para mí la selva es muy importante porque para nosotros la selva es el pulmón del mundo. El pulmón del mundo es la selva. Gracias a la naturaleza nosotros podemos respirar aire puro. No siendo esta naturaleza, no respiraríamos aire puro. Como en las grandes ciudades tú solamente respiras puro humo de carros, de motos. Acá la selva es muy diferente a las otras selvas que hay en otros países. Es muy diferente por las palmeras, los árboles gigantes. La conservación del río es muy lindo. Por eso es importante para mí la naturaleza. Y por eso lo conservamos.
So no, I wasn't able to go to the front lines and document the recent fires in the Amazon. But I do think I was able to show a little bit of justice to the beauty of this place and why it needs to continue being preserved for the future. You see, the Pacaya Samiria Reserve is one of the largest areas of flooded tropical rainforest left in South America. The tourism industry here helps to preserve the Amazon by providing jobs which reduce the pressure to hunt and harvest wood illegally. So participating in a tour of the Amazon helps to preserve the jungle by providing economic alternatives to local populations. This place goes to show that there's still hope for the Amazon when ecotourism is seen as a strong socio-economic benefit for local populations. I had such an incredible time traveling through these flooded forests with my friends. I can only hope that you guys can come experience the same one day.
Oh my god.
It went straight into her face. He does that pretty fast, eh?
Está tipo.
Unfortunately, the fires in the Amazon will continue to get worse unless Brazil's current environmental policy is reversed. I still plan on going to Brazil to make a film specifically about the fires and the dire situation of the Amazon. But for now, I hope this gives you an idea of what's at stake for the future.
Hey guys, greetings from Indonesia! If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell at the bottom. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my work, and I'll see you guys in the next video very soon. Woo!